Hi class, Mrs. Calvi here. Quick tutorial on finding the mode of a data set. Finding the mode is pretty simple. All you're doing is you're finding the number that appears most often in your data set. So I have three different data sets here. So I want to show you what happens in different scenarios. So looking at my first data set here, this blue set, I'm looking to see which number appears the most often. So the easiest thing to do is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. I'm not going to actually show that step, but putting the numbers in order from least to greatest, that will show it pretty easily as to what number appears most often. But I can see here that I have the number 16 appears twice. So in this case, my mode for my first data set is 16. Okay, so now let's take a look at my second data set, the red set here. This is where I'm focusing now. And I don't see any numbers that repeat. So in this case, my mode, being I don't have any numbers that repeat, is equal to none. One common mistake students make is that they put 0, and 0 is a number, so you cannot put the number 0 for your mode unless the number 0 is actually the number you see most often. If you don't have any numbers that repeat, your mode would be considered none. All right, and now let's look at our third data set here, the green set. All right, let me just move this box. So I'm noticing here I have two number 14s, but I also have two 16s. So in this case, I have two modes, and I will list both of them as being my mode. So for this one, my mode is equal to 14 and 16. All right, so you could have one mode, you can have more than one mode, you could have no mode at all. All right, it's pretty simple. You're just finding the number that you see most often in your data set. As I said, putting the numbers in order from least to greatest is going to be the easiest way to actually figure this out. I did skip that step to save a little time. All right, talk to you soon.